Hello friends, welcome to next session under DAL lecture series. Today we'll look at insertion in B trees. Previous lecture we saw the properties of B trees, we saw insertion in B tree of order 3. Today we'll take an example of insertion in B tree of order 5. We already know B trees are special type of search trees usually used for secondary indexing of the databases. Fine. So let us look at how to insert keys in a B tree of order 5. Now these are the given keys, right? And we'll see this is the node structure. See, B trees of order 5, that means it can store 4 keys and it can have 5 pointers, right? It can store 4 keys and it can have 5 pointers. And we already know the insertion of keys is always in order, right? You insert the keys in the ascending order, right? Because it's a generalized form of binary search tree. So let us start. The very first key what you select is 33. You put it in the first key position. 33 is inserted here. Next key what you read is 13. So again you compare it with 33. It is smaller than 33. So 33 will be moved here and 13 will be inserted here, right? So 13 is inserted here and 33 is moved. Next what you read is 4. Again smaller than 13. So insert 4 here. 13 will move to the next position and 33 also will move to the next position, right? So after insertion of 4 is inserted here, then 13, then 33. Next, what you insert is 72. Of course, greater than 4, greater than 13, greater than 33. So it will be inserted at the last position of the key. 72 is inserted here. Now you see the node is full, right? So a B tree of order 5 node can store 4 keys and can have 5 pointers or can have 5 children. Fine. The next key what you insert is 66. Now node is already full. But when you talk about insertion in the order, 66 will be placed in between 33 and 72. So when the node is full and you want to carry out one more insertion, the node explodes, right? So when the node explodes, 33, the middle key is moved up to the root, right? So 33 is moved up, 4 and 13 will be its left child and 66 and 72 will be its right child, right? So you see the node is exploded. The the middle key, that is the middle item of the node, that is 33, is moved up. This is a new root what is created, and the left side of 33 is 4 and 13 and the right side is 66 and 72. You see again it has a binary search tree properties. Everything on the left side of 33 is smaller than 33 and everything on the right side of 33 is greater than 33. Fine. Okay. So the concept is clear how the node is exploded and a new root is created with the median of the node moving up, that is 33 is moved up. Fine. The next key what we insert is 99, right? So again compare it with 33, it is greater than 33, so 99 will be inserted on the right side. Fine. Next what you insert is 23, again compare it with 33, it is smaller than 33, smaller than, greater than 4, greater than 13, so it will be inserted here. So 23 is inserted at this position. Okay. Next, what you insert is 90. Fine. Again, compare it with 33. So it is greater than 33. So go to the right side. Fine. And it is smaller than 99. So it will be placed in between 72 and 99. Now you see the node is full. Fine. Next, what you insert is 28. Again, compare it with 33. Smaller than 33. Right. And in the position, if you see, it is greater than 23, so it will be added as the last key in the node. So 28 is inserted here. Next key what you want to insert is 10, right? 10 is smaller than 33 and it can be inserted in between 4 and 13, but the node is already full. So now the node will explode. The median of the node, that is the middle key, will be moved to the root level, right? And this node will be exploded into two parts, that is 4 and 13. 4 and 10 will be on the left side and 23 and 28 will be on the right side of the key 13. So let us have a look at it. So 13 is moved up, right? Node is exploded into two parts and the left side is 4 and 10 and the right side of 13 is 23 and 28, which is greater than 13 and smaller than 33. So this is what I wanted to tell you, all the binary search tree properties followed here. Smaller than 33 on the left side, greater than 13 on the right side. Smaller than 33 on the left side, greater than 33 on the right side. Fine. Okay. The next key what you insert is 100. Fine. Again, it is greater than 33. So go to the right side. Greater than 99. So it will be inserted at the end. Node is already full. So once you insert 100, the node will explode. And the median of the node, that is 90, will move to the root level. And node will be exploded into two parts, 66 and 72 on the one side, 99 and 100 on the right side. Okay. So 90 moved up, 66 and 72 on the left side of the 90, which is smaller than 90, and 99 and 100 greater than 90 will comes on the right side of the key 90. Fine. Next, what you insert is the key 11. Now, compare it with 13, smaller than 13, right? Greater than 10, so 11 will be inserted after 10 here. Next, what you insert is 12. Again, compare it with the root key 13. It is smaller than 13, so on the left side. Greater than 11, so it will be inserted after 11. Now you see the node is full. 12 is inserted here. Next, what you read is 2. Now node is full. So, but when you carry out an insertion, it will be the first item as per the order of ascending order, right? So 2 will be the first key in the order. Now node is full. When you insert 2, the node will explode, right? So what will move up? The median of the node, the middle key, that is 10, will move up. 2 and 4 will the left side. 11 and 12 will be the right side. 10 will be moved here before 13, right? So 10 is moved up. 2 and 4 are its left side. 11 and 12 are its right side, right? Similarly, 13's right child is 23, 28, right? And 33's left child is 23 and 28. Again, I repeat the binary search property, smaller than the root on the left side, greater than the root on the right side. Fine. Now, another thing you can see, all the leaf nodes are at the same level because we are talking about B tree. The special property of B tree is what? All the leaf nodes are at the same level. Next, what you insert is 25. So where 25 will be inserted? Greater than 13 but smaller than 33. Greater than 13 but smaller than 33. So it will be inserted in this node, right? So 25 will be inserted here. 28 will move to the next position, right? So 25 is inserted here. 28 is moved to the next position. Next, what you insert is 30. Again, smaller than 33 and greater than 13. So 30 will be inserted at the last position of the last key position of the node. Now you see the node is full. Fine. Next, what you insert is 31. Again, smaller than 33 and greater than 13. So 31, as per the order, will be the last key in the node. Node is already full. So once you insert 31, node will explode. So what will move up? Remember, every time the middle key will move up. So here 28 will move up. But when 28 will move up, again you see this node is also full, right? 28 moves up, the node is again, the root node is also full. So again, what you do? 28 as per the order will be inserted in between 13 and 33. So node will explode and the middle key, the 28 itself is the middle key, will become the new root. 10 and 13 will become its left child and 33 and 90 will become its right side. Right? So 28 becomes the new root. 10 and 13 is the left child and 33 and 90 is the right child. Rest of the tree remains same. Right? So this is a B tree of order 5 for a given keys. Fine. One more thing you should remember in case of B trees, always all the nodes except the root node will have m by 2 keys, right? You take the ceiling of the m by 2 keys, and the root node can have single key. Only the root node can have single key, and all the leaf nodes are at the same level, right? Now, another thing, if you observe the height of the tree, using the same keys, if you create a binary search tree, you can imagine what will be the height of the binary search tree. Here, what we have done, even if you take the B tree of order 3, the height will be one step more than this. Now, when you have created a B tree of order 5, the height of the tree is reduced. Now, why you should have a reduced height? Because it will help you in searching faster. Lesser is the height, faster is the searching, right? And our main motto is to search for a particular record in a database. because here the data is read in form of memory blocks, right? Memory blocks are read for searching in a database. So this is a very good application of B tree. Height is less, all the leaf nodes are at the same level, except root node, all the nodes will have m by 2 keys. I hope the concept is clear. Thank you. In the next lecture, we'll look at how to carry out a deletion in a B tree of order 5. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.